Namaskara. Again, some easy question. Two identical under same size. Okay, two identical metal spheres with a charge plus 6 nanocoulomb and minus 2 nanocoulomb are separated by a distance 0.1 meter in air. Find the magnitude of the electrostatic force between them. Find the magnitude of the electrostatic force between them. Also find the force between the same two spheres when they are brought into contact and placed at their initial positions. Okay, contact ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಈಸಿ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 divided by r square. Therefore 1/4 pi epsilon naught ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into q1 ಬಂದು 6 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. 0.1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಒಂದು 9 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 9 ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 9 6 9 into 6 into 2 into ಆಯ್ತಾ divided by 0.1 divided by 0.1. So 10,800 ಬಂತು. The force F is equal to 10,800 into 10 to the power of minus 9 Newton. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, 1 2 ಎರಡು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ 108 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton. The force exhibited by it. When two bodies are joined together, already we have spoken about this many times. ಎರಡು join ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what happens, since they are identical, the total charge will be average on it. That is, the new charge q prime is equal to q1 plus q2 divided by 2, that is equal to 6 minus 2 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 6 minus 2 it is 4 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9, that is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb. This is a new charge on each sphere. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೂ 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದ ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 divided by r square ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by same distance 0.1 whole square. 1 9 cancel. Okay, so bhala simple calculation, you can do it by both also. 9 into 4 36 divided by 0.1 divided by 0.1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ 3,600 into 10 to the power of minus 9, that can be written as 36 into 10 to the power of minus 7 Newton. So very easy calculation and easy question. I hope you understood this. Thank you.